Good morning, dear students. Today I am here to share my views on Earth Day. Save the earth for life now, or there will be no life on earth to save. Every year on 22nd of April we celebrate Earth Day that falls on the last Friday of April month. First time Earth Day was celebrated on 22nd of April 1970 in San Francisco when the famous activist John F. Connell and W.G. Nelson separately called the Americans to join in the grassroots demonstration of some serious issues. In that protest, some serious issues were raised like toxic air, toxic drinking water, use of pesticides. Around 20 millions of Americans, that means 10% of population of America has joined that protest. And after this protest, many laws were made like Clean Air Act, Clean Water Act, Act for Endangered Species. Every year we celebrate Earth Day not only to just discuss some serious environmental issues, but it was a time for some communities, for people to gather together and clean the litter of the earth, plant the trees, and to raise some serious issues and to beautify the nature. This year, Earth Day is celebrating its 51st anniversary. Every year, different theme is assigned for Earth Day, and this year the theme is to restore our earth. There are many ways from which we can restore our earth or we can protect our earth. I am discussing with you some issues from that we can protect our earth. Here are some ideas to protect our earth. Support our pollinators. Clean up the plastic in your neighborhood or local park. Swap out the household products with biodegradable products. Plant a tree. Use wildflowers and native plants. Reduce, reuse and recycle in the garden. Stop using pesticides and chemicals in fields. Conserve water. Think about healthy diet. Get kids involved in natural works. Now I am going to present a short song on the eve of Earth Day. This is our world, oh oh, this is our earth, oh oh, this is the place where we belong. This is our home, oh oh, this is our time, oh oh, this is the place where we come from. Pick up the trash, put it where it should go. You do your part, preserve this earth, you know. This is our world, oh oh, this is our earth, oh oh, this is the place where we belong. This is our home, oh oh, this is our time, oh oh, this is the place where we come from. Try to reuse, recycle what you can, and do your part and give a helping hand. This is our world, oh oh, this is our earth, oh oh, this is the place where we belong. This is our home, oh oh, this is our time, oh oh, this is the place where we come from. Just be aware of your environment. You do your part to love, preserve, protect. This is our world, oh oh, this is our earth, oh oh, this is the place where we belong. This is our home, oh oh, this is our time, oh oh, this is is the place where we come from. This is the place where we come from.